Alright, I am about to test out the heating coil and the controller for the first time on my curing oven. And we're looking at a Coca-Cola vending machine from the 70s. So you're wondering, where's the oven? And the answer is, it is the oven. So if we step around here, turn on the light switch, you can see inside is the oven. There's the heating element. I'll turn off the light here, open up the latch, and there we have it. Yeah, the electronics down here is a big 40 amp solid state relay with a couple of 30 amp fuses, all leading back to a very, very large set of cables and a disconnect. So first we're going to check to make sure the disconnect is on. And it is now. And still no redness to the heating element, which is good because I didn't turn it on yet. The sensor is here. It's not actually in there yet, but it should still be able to get the oven to heat up here, or the element to turn on, activate. So here it's saying we are at 51 or 52 degrees here, and it's set to 40, so obviously it's not going to be going on. It's not triggering the guy there. I should be able to go here, turn that to 60 and say set. The output light went on. That made connection, and I am seeing some smoking going on, which is probably it for the first time turning on and heating up and smoking out the basically curing it for the first time. So I suppose that's good. And there was a sticker. There's some crap on the sticker you can see is smoking. So that's good. That should go. I am surprised that it is not glowing red hot, but I guess I can see it start to glow now. There it goes. She is glowing. Look at that. Oh yeah. That heat is going. So there we have it. That is hot. The electronics down here, I don't feel any heat coming from, which is good, so it's not overloading the relay. But there we have the oven element, glowing red hot, putting out plenty of heat. So it'll be really interesting to see, once I get the seal on there, just how hot, or how I should say how fast I can get this much volume up to 400 degrees, which is what the goal is. I still have some RTV sealant to put in place, but there we have an oven element glowing red hot in place. All right, and if I shut this down, shut this off, should immediately start to see a color change with the controller off. And you can see it's fading now. I'm sure it takes a while to heat up or cool down. Alright, there we have it. So I can't wait to see, once I get the seal on, how long it takes to preheat to 400 degrees and just how hard it is to maintain that. Alright, so long.